pranking my father by putting $20 on a fishing rod and see how he reacts. Okay, I'm outside now. I just gotta wait for him to come outside and start doing whatever he's gonna do out here. He's gonna do something out here. I forgot what it was. $20 bill on a fishing rod. So when he gets close to it, I'm going to bring it away from him. I just gotta find a way to make it so that I'm farther away from him so he can't see me. Okay. Oh, I think he does see it. Wait, he sees it. He sees it. Come on.
Oh, you got me.
Dang, you fell for it.